Ascender, the world's first robot vacuum and mop cleaner with stair-climbing capability. Equipped with a groundbreaking mechanical structure, state-of-the-art AI algorithms, a remarkably large capacity battery, and a sleek, fully enclosed all-in-one dock, the Ascender can automatically clean the entire house, including the stairs, without breaking a sweat. Ascender is designed to climb stairs of different heights up to 8.7 inches, 20 centimeters flexibly and reliably. It navigates effortlessly over stairs, obstacles, and floor levels to clean your entire house hands-free. Ascender features a square-shaped body with motorized omnidirectional wheels that enable lateral movement capability, ensuring optimal cleaning of every edge. In addition, its bottom brush, nested in the world's first pivotable brushing system, pivots 90 degrees during lateral movement for effective cleaning, especially when picking up larger particles like coffee beans or pet food. With a market-leading suction power of 9,700 pascals and working with both bristles and rubber roller brushes, Ascender thoroughly and deeply cleans various surfaces such as floors and carpets. Featuring a market-leading 12,000 mAh battery, the Ascender sweeps, mops, and climbs a grade slope of up to 5,380 square feet, 500 square meters on a single charge asterisk, achieving true hands-free and comprehensive full house cleaning. The slim and sleek 3.86 inches, 98 mm body design enables cleaning underneath furniture and reaching challenging areas while providing a comprehensive solution for a clean and tidy home on every floor. Ascender redefines smart cleaning. At its core lies an HD camera, a high-precision LiDAR, and 6 ToF sensors, ensuring unparalleled navigational accuracy. But the true intelligence of Ascender comes from its advanced AI algorithms, seamlessly integrated with a powerful 5 TOPS AI computing engine. This synergy of hardware and software makes Ascender the most intelligent robotic cleaner, setting a new standard in environment perception, path planning, obstacle avoidance, and effortless, hassle-free cleaning. Ascender detects the environment upon the first use to create the mapping, then efficiently plans cleaning routes and segregates different areas and rooms. It auto-recharges when the power is low and seamlessly resumes previous cleaning sessions even on different floors. Ascender detects the environment upon the first use to create the mapping, then efficiently plans cleaning routes and segregates different areas and rooms. It auto-recharges when the power is low and seamlessly resumes previous cleaning sessions even on different floors. Experience effortless cleaning with our all-in-one dock. No more cleaning the robot after its rounds. Enjoy a truly hands-free cleaning experience that brings unparalleled convenience to your doorstep.